Hey guys, so for this video, we'll show you how to import Alibaba products to your Shopify store. On your Shopify store settings, on the left-hand side, underneath the Apps menu, click on Add Apps. Once you've seen the pop-up menu after clicking Add Apps, go on the bottom and click on Shopify App Store. This will bring you to the Shopify App Store where you can search for many different apps to add to your Shopify website. So go to the search bar and type in Alibaba. We'll be wanting to add the Alibaba app to our Shopify website. So go ahead and search for Alibaba. Now look for the dropshipping Alibaba official app. Make sure that the developer is Alibaba themselves and go ahead and click on Add App to add it to our Shopify store. This will lead you directly back to Shopify where you can confirm the linking of your store to the Alibaba app. Click on Install App. This will bring you to alibaba.com where you have to either log into your Alibaba account or create one if you don't have one already. Make sure to set it to your country of origin, fill up the details, and create your Alibaba account. After you've done so, log into Alibaba and that's it. You've pretty much linked your Alibaba account to your Shopify dropshipping store. Here, you'll see a list of all the products that you can add to display on your Shopify store. On the lower left-hand side, you can click on My Store to verify that your Shopify store is now linked to your Alibaba account. Click on Import List on the left-hand side. See that you can add products to the list on your Shopify store. Click on Search Products. And here you can see all the different kinds of products that you can add. When you see a product that you want to sell, click on it and then select the Add to Import list on the right-hand side. And there you go! You've now added products from Alibaba to display on your Shopify dropshipping store. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other concerns or questions, feel free to leave them on the comments down below.